Hi, my name is Geeta. I'm from Singapore Now and Next. I joined this program 6 to 8 months ago, and I've done this program twice. The first time it really helped me because I was at a point where I was not feeling very great about everything, and then when I joined on because Bethany was my close friend in school, and it really changed my life around. It helped me to structure my thoughts, focus on the family, focus on the child, and focus on personal goals, and it inspired me to take more steps in that direction. And the group really held me accountable for the goals, and every session they were like, how much progress have you made? And it helped me build my own self back together, and it pushed me to opening a company. And I was very inspired by the founders and the chapter, Singapore chapter organizers, that I wanted to empower women in personal finance sector, and I have opened my own company, and we are taking baby steps in that direction. But I really want to thank Now and Next for coming into my life at the right time and pushing me into a better space.
So was that your first goal?
My first goal was having a cup of tea in the morning for 5 minutes before the kids wake up.
Yeah.
And I really felt the difference when I was more focused on myself and a better state of mind. So it was better for me and my family, and slowly we started building our personal goals together, and now each of us have personal goals in our family, and it's really been helpful. And the very thought that we were allowed to have personal goals came only after the Now and Next session. And a lot of the tools that we used in Now and Next, like the goals to action chart, the Pictability tool, all of them I still use it until this very day when I go to the school for parent meetings, and I have the oxygen tank on my refrigerator. We celebrate each goal that we reach. Mm-hmm. So Now and Next has really made a lot of difference in my life, and I'm very, very grateful that I took the session. It has made a very big difference.
And tell me about your daughter and being an advocate now for her sibling.
Yes, because one of the main things that we discussed in Now and Next was the self-advocacy part, and how we were the experts on our child. Because before that we were more like, whatever the therapists say was the Bible, and whatever the teachers say we have to. But then after that my perspective slowly shifted, and I started taking things in a way that I understood that I get the message, but I am the expert on my child, so let's sit together. And the more and more my family saw that, my 7-year-old daughter saw this, she absorbed it, and I didn't actively tell her to. She sort of absorbed it, and now she's a very fierce advocate in her school for neurodiversity and how to include them in playtime. And she even stands up for her brother at every single point, and that is one of the biggest positive outcomes in our family, because now we have started celebrating our differences and understanding that he needs more support, and she's on with that. She's sharing our burden, not burden, like a workload like that. She understands how things are, and the advocacy part is something I learned from Now and Next, and we are better for it.
So Now and Next to India?
Yes, definitely. My company is already set up, so we can try when I go back to India, or I even go every summer, so we can do something because in India right now there's a lot of shame and stigma around neurodiversity. Mm-hmm. I mean, there are progress made, but it's all in the urban areas, and still the rural areas need more support. And first of all, the first thing to embrace neurodiversity is to beat the stigma around it, and and I'm very keen on that, so I really want to do this in India, so hopefully we'll get a chance to collaborate.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for creating this wonderful program, and you're inspiring a lot of parents, and we get a truly wonderful support system, not just family or friends, and we have this wonderful community where we can share our issues without any judgment, and it's wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.